In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Sheet as view only. Sometimes you need to share your work while ensuring others can't make any changes, and doing this in Google Sheets is pretty straightforward. Let's jump in and see how it's done. First things first, you'll want to open up the specific Google Sheet that you're aiming to share. This might be one you've been working on for a project, a collaborative document, or even just a personal sheet that you need someone to look over. Make sure you've got everything ready to go before you start the sharing process. Once your Google Sheet is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you will find a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on this button. This is where the magic happens, as this is the gateway to altering your document's sharing settings. Next, look for the section titled General Access. In this area, you'll see the current setting for your sheet, which might say Restricted if you haven't changed it before. Click on this setting. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear with a few different options on how you can share your Google Sheet. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select the option that says Anyone with the link. This is critical because it allows anyone who has the link to access the document while keeping it secure from those not in the loop. However, you're not done just yet. We need to ensure that they can only view the document without making any alterations. To the right of this option, you should see another drop-down menu. It might already say Viewer or something else depending on previous settings. Click on this menu, and among the choices that appear, choose Viewer. This setting is your assurance that recipients can see the content but won't have editing capabilities, keeping your data intact and unchanged by outside hands. Now that your settings are in place, you'll want to get the link to share with others. Look for the Copy Link button, which should be conveniently located within this menu. Clicking on that will copy the sharing link to your clipboard, making it easy for you to paste it right where you need it. Finally, click Done to exit the sharing settings. With the link now copied, you're ready to share it. You can paste this link into an email, a messaging app, a document, or anywhere else you deem appropriate. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Google Sheet to be shared as view only. With just a few clicks, you've ensured that your work can be shared without the risk of being altered, making this a secure way to collaborate and share information. Thanks for following along, and happy sharing!